Good afternoon everyone, my name is Sheethal and I am currently pursuing my engineering in CSE AML at Sheethal S IDW. So my project is study AI nodes generated using NLP and generative AI. So for the backend, I have four files, which is embedding PY, generative PY and PDF loader PY and retriever PY. And my front end is app.py. From here I am using the Streamlit, which is a Python framework, and I'll show you the demo and explain how it works. So you have to browse the file and you upload a file. It will show PDF has been successfully uploaded or successfully processed. So when you upload a PDF, what is done is in the backend I have a PDF loader. What it does, it will take the PDF by PDF2. Then it will convert all the raw text into the chunks. Before it converts it to the chunks, it will delete all the white spaces and the special characters so that there is no error while generating the summary of the notes. So after it cleans the text, it will give you the chunks. What is chunks means? It is a sentence which is converted into small sentence like words. So it will convert it into the chunks. Then in generator, what it does, in generator I have a model as BART, which is a Hugging Face transformer model, which is used for text summarization, and it is a best useful when used in a GPU. So when you use BART, it will generate. What is BART is it actually a bidirectional auto-regressive transformer. It will generate what has been generated, the chunks. It will take all the chunks and it will transform it into a sequence by sequence words and sentences, so that it will give a best summarized notes from the PDF which you have uploaded. Then for flashcards and Q&A, we have used retriever and embedding. What it does is it has a framework of NLP, which is NLPTK, which is a toolkit of the NLP. It is used for sentence transformation when asked in flashcards and Q&A. In retriever, I have used a FAISS framework, which is used as a search and retrieval. Here, what it does, when you ask a question, it will take that question's main word and it goes to the backend and it will ask which word is there in the PDF. Then it retrieves those sentences. Then it will think what is the best answer for the question. Here I have used a RAG, which is RAG, where it does is it will take retrieve and augment the generation. First it will take the word, then it will search in the PDF, then it will take what are the things it are there in the PDF, then it will generate a best answer, what is best for the given question. So that is used for retrieving and embedding. Then if you goes to MCQ also, in MCQ what I have given is, I have inbuilt given a 20 question as basic. In 20 questions, the 7 questions are easy, then 8 are medium, then 5 questions are hard questions. Like to test your knowledge, you have to know those basic questions from the PDF. So that's why we are using that. For embedding also, I have used another model called as All Mini LM6 model, which is used for converting these into the MCQ kind of questions, like which are the main topics or which are the must you know from the PDF. So flashcards also, I am using the same model as there in the embedding. From the embedding, I am retrieving everything into the app.py. In starting of the app.py, you can see I have given the as a system path, because as I'm running from the front end, it won't go back to the back end and it will show the error. So we have used this line where it goes to the back, telling the system to go back, and from that directory you have to fetch, because here I've given backend.pdf.loader. So I'm telling the code to go back into the folder, that is AI experiment, then from there go to backend. From there you fetch those files and do the working. So as you can see, now the nodes has been generated. These are the basic important nodes. If you don't want this nodes and you want another set of nodes which are important except this, you can give again generate nodes and it will give you the another set of generated nodes. Then here, as you can see, the flashcards, the 7 are easy and the 8 are medium and the 5 are hard questions. Here if you drop down, you can see for the question what is the answer and you can learn from that, and you can check your knowledge in MCQ test. If you give a wrong answer, it will only explain what is the correct answer and what you should do for understanding the concept also. You can retake the test as many times as you want till you are perfect with everything which is given. it gives you the score and the percentage also. Then it is a Q&A chat. Here you can ask a question and it will retrieve the answer from the PDF itself. Here what FIISS comes into hand. So I'll give what is lipid and I'll ask. Here it will give what is lipids from the PDF. You can ask another question also. I've asked what is enzymes and here it has given what is enzymes from the PDF. Then you can clear the chat also if you don't want. It will clear the chat. In the here study dashboard, it will tell how many chunks of text it has been done and the note of the words it has been made. Then the flashcard it has generated and the test has been completed and Q&A is not used as I cleared the chat. Here you can export all the materials. It will generate in MD file and you can use it for studying. Also before that exam you can use those. And this is a study stat where it tells how many PDF length it is and the chunks it has generated, the flashcard and the test taken. And the chat question is 0 because I have given clear chat. You can export the chat also when you give export all. So this was about my project. The future implementation we can use more better model for running in GPU which can take more than 800-900 PDFs so that it will give you a more precise summary of the text and answers.